Azure Virtual Hub gives you the flexibility to choose how traffic is routed between your on-premises sites, Azure Virtual Networks, and the internet. The routing preference allows you to decide whether traffic should use the Microsoft Global Network or the public internet for its transit based on performance, cost, or other specific requirements. In fact, routing preference is not just applicable to Azure Virtual WAN, it is also seen on some of the Azure services such as Azure Storage. Microsoft Global Network is a private, highly reliable global backbone network managed by Microsoft. When you select Microsoft Global Network as a routing preference for egress, traffic leaves Azure services through the Microsoft Global Network. It travels over Microsoft private backbone to the point of presence closest to the destination. Once at the POP, which is point of presence, it is handed over to the local ISP to reach the customer or target destination. For ingress, traffic from the customer enters the Microsoft Global Network at the closest Microsoft POP. From the POP, it travels securely over the Microsoft backbone to the Azure region hosting the service. You can achieve lower latency and higher throughput due to the optimized routing on the private network. Such routing preference reduces exposure to potential threats by avoiding the public internet and provides predictable performance unaffected by public internet congestion. You can use such routing preference for performance and security at top priorities, such as for critical business applications, latency sensitive workloads, or regulated industries. Using internet routing preference, traffic is routed over the public internet for connectivity. When you select internet as a routing preference for egress, outbound traffic leaves Azure services and directly enters the public internet via the internet service provider. For ingress, inbound traffic traverses the public internet via the ISP and enters Azure services at the destination region. Such routing preference lower cost compared to using the Microsoft Global Network and useful for less critical or non-sensitive workloads where cost savings outweigh the need for optimal performance. Use such routing preference for non-critical workloads.